Hello, I'm Louise Conradsen. I'm Head of Open Innovation and Science at Aarhus University. I explore how a lack of patents can sometimes accelerate drug discovery for the benefits of patients, industry, and academia. I was 11 years old at the time and probably oblivious to most things around me, but I do recall watching the news with my parents and getting this sense that, yeah, change is possible. Competition frames a lot of what we do in both academia and industry. So whether we compete for research grants or market shares, it doesn't really matter. We're all taught to protect our assets in order to succeed, especially before we even consider sharing with anyone. But that needs to change. That wall needs to come down because the world's problems are getting bigger. They are getting more urgent, more complex, and no one can solve them on their own. So we need to share and we need to collaborate openly. But how do you do that in a system that is geared for protectionism? Well, we propose that we just feed into that system instead of trying to undermine it. So we know from pharma that many promising drug candidates fail in the costly clinical trials due to an insufficient knowledge foundation in the earliest stages of drug discovery research. That is a part of the innovation process where the companies may not even compete. So why not share that and let that become the foundation for commercial products in the future? That's what we do in ODIN. We provide a collaboration platforms for companies and researchers. They do joint projects entirely without patents, and we fund them. In return, they share their results openly with the world. Our main finding from this has been that even though this way of working is new to many of our participants, they grow to like it. They grow to see advantages to opening up and seeing that it doesn't harm their competitive edge. So now they're asking, what else can we do openly? I want to know what else we can do openly and what we can't, because the answer to that seems to change over time. What we're doing openly today wasn't possible 5 or 10 years ago, but now it is. So what drives that change? Fundraising, for sure. No, we've been lucky. We've received backing from the Novo Nordisk Foundation. I hope that people will keep coming up with new innovation projects because there's no one silver bullet against the world's problems. We need all hands on deck.